Short hair is no longer just a cut, it's a canvas. In 2026, the undercut and shave art trend has taken the world by storm. It's for the woman who is not afraid to show her edgy. Welcome to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. Ladies and girls, today we are diving deep into the world of hair tattoos and artistic fades. From subtle lines to full scalp masterpieces. Let's explore the designs that are redefining short hair. Geometric patterns are the ultimate choice for a clean, professional yet edgy look. Notice how these sharp lines at the nape of the neck accentuate the jawline and the neck's silhouette. Whether it's a simple double line or an intricate honeycomb pattern, geometry in hair is all about precision. This look is perfect for those who love a modern, architectural vibe. But what if you want to keep your art and secret? The hidden undercut is the viral favorite of the year. By shaving the back of the head, you can hide your art under your top layers for work and reveal it when you tie your hair. Tie your hair up for the weekend. Look at these floral and mandala inspired shaves. These require our master barber's hand, turning the scalp into a living space of art. It's soft, feminine, yet incredible fierce. To make your shave art truly pop, color is key. A high contrast dye on the top hair makes the dark shave art underneath stand out even more. Remember, shave art lasts about 2 to 3 weeks, making it the perfect temporary commitment for a new you. Which designs are you brave enough to try? The hidden floral or the bold geometric lines? Let me know in the comments. If you love this artistic gallery, hit that like button. Take care and bye bye.